Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily do cash on delivery on AliExpress. So let's head over to the app. So the first thing that you have to do when you check items on AliExpress is make sure that the AliExpress direct shipping option is available to that certain item that you want to check out, since this is the only shipping option that allows cash on delivery option. And also a reminder that the AliExpress direct shipping option requires a minimum order cost of 60 US dollars. And when you check out, you should now be able to see cash on delivery as a payment method. Then once you're done placing an order, a message like this from the app might show on your notifications, and your order will now arrive via cash on delivery method. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily do cash on delivery on AliExpress. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!